What's a going, everybody? Welcome back. From the title, you know what I'm going to make, so let's get straight to it. Here I have 1 cup of dried pinto beans. Now what I'm going to do is to rinse these off a bit to remove any debris or any bad beans. So once I'm done here, I'm going to start the cooking process. Here I'm adding 6 cups of water. I'm also going to add some garlic and salt. So over a medium-high heat, I'm going to allow this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to do what's called sinking the peas, and that's basically adding extra water so the peas can cook properly. And now the beans are cooked, nice and tender. So what I'm going to do now is to season the pot. I'm going to start by adding my coconut milk, thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, allspice, and so forth. I will list everything I use in the description, so make sure to check that out. At this point, make sure to season to your liking. I added some all-purpose seasoning, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Now lastly is a bit of sugar. I know some people are iffy about it, but for me, when I feel like it, I will add a bit of sugar to my rice and peas. It just balances out everything, but it's completely optional. All right, so once you've added everything, just cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, go ahead and wash the rice. Now it's time to add the rice, and if you want that nice fluffy rice, there are 2 things you have to take into consideration: type of rice used and the liquid to rice ratio. Now with this particular rice, my liquid is about 1.5 inches above the rice. I'm going to allow this to steam for about 15 to 20 minutes or until most of the liquid is reduced. Once most of this liquid is reduced, I'm going to cover with foil paper. Now the foil paper is optional. You could just lower your heat, put it on low heat, and allow the rice to further steam for about 10 more minutes. Let's move on to the Callaloo and Ackee, and this recipe is quite simple. Here I have some of the mandatory seasonings. I have onion, garlic, bell peppers, scallion, and 1 whole scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to be using canned Callaloo and canned Ackee. Fresh is always better in my book, but use what's available to you. I'm going to saute my seasonings for about a minute or 2. I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning just to enhance the flavor from the fresh seasoning. After that, I'm going to add the Callaloo and allow it to cook down for about 2 minutes before adding the Ackee. After adding the Callaloo, I'm going to add some more of that garlic and herb seasoning by Spice Jamaica. I absolutely love that seasoning. And as I mentioned, I'm going to cover this, give it about 2 minutes before adding the Ackee. Now it's time to add the Ackee, and you want to gently fold it in, after which I'm going to add some more all-purpose seasoning and pepper, cover the pot, and give this another 2 minutes to come together. So everything is prepared, rice and peas up and running. So I'm going to remove the thyme, the scallion, the ginger, and fluff up the rice a bit. Here we have the nice cook up Callaloo and Ackee. Simplicity at its best. Here's the final plating, and on the side I have some plantain and avocado, and trust me when I tell you, this plate of food was delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy the recipe. Let me know if you do, and until next time, bless upon yourself.